welcome, and thank you for clicking. If you're new here, I welcome you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. So, for the month of January, I am starting a new series. This series is called New Year, New Me. I'm going to be trying something different every single week, something new, something better. So, for this week, I am going to be trying a new skincare routine. This skincare routine I got from my dad for Christmas, and let me just show you. Okay, so I don't have the box that they came in, but they are basically 4 little miniature pieces to a skincare kit. The product itself is called K-Beauty Routine Kit, and they have one for oily skin, one for dry skin, and an age-defying one, I think, or an anti-aging one. I showed the kit in my What I Got for Christmas video, if you want to check that out. I'm going to be doing this 4-piece kit routine thingy for this entire week. So my skincare routine is very simple. I used to use the oil cleanser by First Piece, but for Christmas I got this. This is an oil cleanser. This is by the brand Shea Moisture, and this is a Sensitive Skin facial cleansing oil. And I really like it. I'm pretty sure it's like mostly all natural. And so I've been using that for a few days, and like once or twice a week I'll do my facial scrub. That's more exfoliating, but that's literally my skincare routine. I'll do this every night or every other night. The kit that I'm going to be using this week. So the brand of this is called Make Prim, and none of them have any instructions on what to do. This one says, cleanse into a fresh, moisturized, clean skin. So that's kind of confusing, because you're supposed to use this to clean your skin, but put it onto your clean skin? It's kind of weird. This is a black cleansing water. I think it's kind of interesting. So it also came with this. This is a green tea serum toner, and it's supposed to balance and deeply hydrate your face. So I'm really excited for this. Also, none of my things had the same packaging, and my sister got the oil kit, and they all came in this packaging right here. So that's a little strange. You have this, which I think is really cute. This is a deep and full moisturizing what you want. Kind of strange wording going on, but this is a Hydrate Me Micro Tintion Cream. I'm also very excited for this, and I also love the packaging of this one and the other one I'm about to show you, and I wish they all matched. The last step that it comes with is enjoy your shower, becoming so beautiful skin. Okay, this is a wonderful me in shower face pack. Okay, so it says, a mask that works while you shower to plump fine lines and deeply moisturize. So in the mask. But they don't explain things very well, and they don't word things very well, and it's all kind of confusing, and nothing matches. I don't know, it's just kind of weird. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using this for this entire week. I just got out of the shower and I used this, and it was probably on my face for about 5 minutes. I don't know how long it's supposed to stay on. It doesn't really tell you anything like that. But it felt really slippery and slick going on in the face. And right now, my face feels pretty nice. I can't say it feels hydrated. It does feel like really smooth and slippery though, like baby skin, which is really nice. And I'm going to move on to my black water cleanser thing. I'm going to take one of these cotton rounds, and we're going to see if it's actually black. I mean, of course it's black, but never mind. Okay, it smells like a pretty average face wash. It doesn't smell bad or really good or anything like that. So, we're just going to wash the face with this. So, I don't know if I'm supposed to rinse it off, like the cleansing water. I feel like I'm supposed to leave it on. So I'm just going to leave it on. I might try rinsing it off tomorrow, but it doesn't really say what to do, so I'm just going to leave it on. But it feels pretty nice. Yeah. The next step is this serum toner thingy, and I'm going to be putting this on use? Where do you put this? Oh. I don't really like the smell of that. It's not bad to where I wouldn't use it, but I just don't like the smell of it. It smells kind of weird. So the last step is what seems to be a moisturizer. It's a hydrating cream. I think we're supposed to use your hand to rub this in your face, but I can't use my hand, so I'm gonna be using this flat brush that I use for primer. This stuff is thick. Thicker than expected. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but I used about that much. Sorry for the weird camera setup. There's not really anywhere to set it in my bathroom. This one smells pretty normal. I hope my skin doesn't go crazy or get bumpy or anything like that from all of this. It smells like it would be an ointment or some sort of rash or something. Okay, so that is it for day 1. Probably gonna get annoying, but new year, new me. Okay, day 2. So I already took off my makeup, but this cleansing water took off some more that I didn't know was on my face, so that's pretty good. So the toner actually took off some of the leftover makeup as well. I used the Neutrogena hydrating makeup remover wipes, and they're my favorite ones, but I guess there's some makeup that they just can't get. I'm not going to use this one. This is the moisturizing thing. I feel like I'm going to run out of this one fastest. This is a moisturizer thing, because it's so thick, and so a little bit does not go a long way, so you have to use a lot of it. See how much I'm using? Using a lot. Okay. Snowing. Hey guys, it's day 4 of the skincare adventure, and yesterday I forgot to record, but I promise I did it. And today, as you can see, I got a shower, and I did the shower mask and everything, so we're good on that. Okay, so it is day 5, and it's in the morning time. My face feels really soft, and it feels really smooth, and it has to be the skincare. Okay guys, so it is day 6. Yesterday was day 5, and I was spending the night at my grandma's house, so it's kind of weird. I just didn't really want to record it yesterday, so I didn't, but I definitely did the whole skincare routine. You're gonna have to trust me. And my skin was feeling really nice, but now I feel like since I don't use any water with this, I don't want to rinse it off. I mean, I guess it's kind of water and then rinsing my face off, kind of, but I feel like maybe all the products are like building up or something on my face. Even on days when I don't have makeup on for a while, I still get some makeup residue on the towelettes, which I think is a good thing, because I know that it's cleaning our skin. But maybe it's just dirt. I mean, I don't really go outside that much, especially in the winter, But I guess it could be just like built on dirt. Okay, step 1 done. Step 2. The final step. That's it for day 6. So it is the last day, day 7, of my skincare adventure. So, by about day 4 of the skincare adventure, my skin was feeling really soft and smooth and bouncy, like baby skin almost. And now it's kind of not feeling like that anymore. I haven't been using any other skincare besides this set because I didn't want to interfere with the effects of it. And I think if I use an exfoliator scrub every 4 days, then my skin will be really smooth. So yeah guys, this has been week 1 of this new mini series sort of thing. The skincare was overall really a fun adventure. It wasn't like a really intense long skincare routine. It was just more than I usually do. So it was a little bit harder to do, but I really liked it. I do wish I could have known what products are the ones that really help my skin, because when I'm using all of them, I don't really know if there's like 1 or 2 of them that are actually working, and like the others aren't. I guess I'd have to try them all on their own for that. But anyway, I really like the skincare. I will definitely be finishing up the bottles of that and using more products on my face, trying out new skincare, and I think it was a really good start. Next week, I'm going to be doing a new thing, a new challenge, a new, better change in my life or whatever, but you're going to see the video next week. If you like this video, don't forget to go down there and give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. I also have 2 other YouTube channels. They'll be down in the description below, along with my Instagram. And if you like these sort of vlog type videos on this channel, then you might like my vlog channel. Comment down below if you like these kind of videos. And yeah, that's it for this video. Also comment down below if you think my skin looks different or better or worse within a few days, but it is really smooth and really soft and bouncy like a baby's butt. Okay. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. See you later. Bye! Bye! We're still rolling.